Janhvi Kapoor is known for her beautiful wing liners, and I'm really excited to create this video that I am featuring in my Bollywood makeup series. If you have not caught up on the series, please do so as you'll find many looks. But however, let's get started with today's video. Janhvi Kapoor's brows are naturally full and we need to fill in our brows. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown. Try to be as precise as you can and create hair-like strokes. Now go in with any clear brow gel you have at home and seal your brows in place. With the Kosas Revealer Concealer in the shade Tan, I'm going to be applying this all over the eyelids. Apply it to the bottom lash line to make it cohesive. And now with the Jane Iredale crease brush and this brown shade, let's apply that to the outer V of the eye first. I'm using the Pat McGrath Mothership palette, which is linked in the description. And now blend it into the crease. For hooded eyes, make sure you're keeping your eyes open so that you can see the application of shadows. Back into the same shade, let's deepen out the color even more. Changing brushes to the Morphe A7 brush, which is a pencil one, and the shade dark brown, let's apply the shade more precisely. And you can see the Janhvi has this distinct crease line, so let's create that precisely. Blend that out with your brush. Now with the black shade from the palette, I'm starting by applying it on the upper lash line, and now I'm applying it into the crease. Use a clean brush and blend it out. With a precise brush and this black shade, let's deepen out the outer V even more. And now blend that into the previous shade. Back into the black shade, deepen out the color even more. Try to keep your eyes open for this step. And now with this beautiful red-brown shade, let's apply that on the eyelids with our fingers. This is a very buildable color, so you can choose the intensity of it. Back into the black shade, let's blend that onto the shimmer. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. And now with this black shade, deepen out the outer V one last time. Your eyes will look something like this. With a brown shade and a pencil brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. And now with the Sigma smudge brush and the black shade, apply this very close to your lashes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. To create a wing, we are going to use the Inglot AMC gel liner, and let's start carving out the line first. Take your time at this step because a wing can be slightly tricky. I'm applying some more product to the lashes so that it looks more intense. And now with the Hourglass Gel Eyeliner in the shade Obsidian, let's apply that to the bottom lash line. You can also use a brown one if you want less intensity. Curl those lashes. And now with the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, this is a beautiful volumizing and lengthening one. Let's apply that to our lashes. I'm applying 2 coats of it. Don't forget your bottom lashes. And now with your liquid concealer, apply that underneath the eyes. I'm using a sponge to blend it out. Apply MAC's product downwards first and then go towards the eye. This will prevent further creasing. And there you go guys, that's my recreation of Janhvi's beautiful eyeshadow look. I really hope you're enjoying this video, and don't forget to catch up on my Bollywood makeup series too. And as always, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. See you guys. Bye bye.